Hey everybody, welcome back to Barbecue by Biggs. Today we're doing a follow-up video to the video we did last week. Last week we did a burn-in on a Z-Grill 700 D4. Today we're going to do a spatchcock chicken. So if you want to see one delicious chicken, come along with us. Stay tuned. All right, so we got this Z-Grill 700 D4. We set it to 325 degrees. Let's get inside and get that chicken together. All right, we're gonna get this chicken prepped and get it ready. Like I said, we're gonna spatchcock this one. So what you're looking for is that line right down the spine. Take you a sharp knife or get you some of these kitchen shears. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested. And just cut up that backbone, just straight up on both sides. These shears are not very expensive, I tell you. It takes a lot of work out of trying to get that knife through some of those thicker bones. You can do it if you have a really sharp, heavy knife, but these things make life easier. And that's done. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our sharp knife. This one here is a Bubba blade. I don't know if got a lot of sportsmen out there, but I tell you, Bubba makes a heck of a knife, plus it's easy to hold on to. We're just gonna take that, cut right there on the side of the breast, right there on the side of that breast, and we'll flip that over, just like that, lay it out. Take your fingers right here on the breast, push down until it pops. There you go. I don't know if you could hear that pop, but it did. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some paper towels, we're gonna get this thing dried up, and then we're gonna add some fat back to it. So we'll bring you guys back. The drier it is, the better chicken skin you're gonna have. All right, now that we got it dried off, we're gonna add some fat back to it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add that fat back to the skin. What happens is it helps that skin brown up and it keeps it from getting tough and leathery in that smoke. So we're gonna add just a little bit of dribble of olive oil and then we'll just get that rubbed in. You can use any kind of oil that you want. Olive oil, canola oil, avocado oil, you can use butter, you can use mayonnaise, but you just wanna add some fat back to that skin. And that's gonna allow that skin to get a little bit more crispy and of course bite through. Just on the skin side is all we're adding this to. It's really moist on the back side, so we don't need to do that. So we'll flip this thing over and we'll add our seasoning to the back side first. All right, we're gonna use Uncle Steve's Shake. This is a South Texas Red. I don't know if you guys have ever used this before, but it's a South Texas Red. And I tell you what, it works awesome. So we're just gonna coat it. As you can see, it's got some big chunks in it. We're just gonna put a good coating on the backside, kind of pat that in a little bit. All right, we got it rubbed up. We're gonna stick it in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes or so. Let that Z-Grills come up to temp. Again, we're gonna cook this at 325 degrees until it's done. So we'll get this in the refrigerator and we'll bring you guys back when we go out to the pit. All right, so we're rolling at 325 degrees. That chicken is ready to go. We just took it out of the refrigerator. Let's get it on the pit. All right, we're gonna cook it on the bottom level here. We just got it on one of these smoking trays. Hey, if you're interested in one of these are awesome to use. There are links in the description below if you wanna pick some of those up. We're just gonna put this right in the middle. 325 degrees. So we're gonna use the provided probes from Z-Grills that go right into the controller. So we're just gonna stick that into the deepest part of the breast so we can keep up with the temp from outside. And we're gonna put this thing to bed. We'll bring you guys back here in about 30, 45 minutes to check on it. See you then. All right, we've been on for about 45 minutes now. Chicken sizzling in there. Let's take a look at it and see how it's doing. Again, we've been rolling at 325 degrees for about 45 minutes or so. Let's take a look at it. Oh, it's looking good, still dried out on the top. I'm gonna take you in and see it. Yes, sir, looking great. Starting to crisp up on the ends. Won't be long now. So internal temperature at the breast is at 127 degrees. Another 45 minutes or so to an hour, this thing will be done. We'll pull it off, bring you inside, cut it, and for the taste. Looks like it's gonna be too dark out here to do it outside, so we'll bring you guys back when we're ready to cut it up and eat it. See you in a minute. Yeah, the color on this thing turned out amazing. I'm telling you, looks great. You know, cutting through this, so juicy. You can just look at the juice running out of this. I mean, oh my God, so tender. Still a little hot. Let's get a taste of this. Oh my God. All right, guys, see you next time.